Hello friends! The W.E.T.E.R project team is attending Power and Energy Africa 2023 at the Kenyatta International Conference Center in Nairobi, Kenya. Power and Energy, Africa's largest international trade fair for the energy sector, represents specialists from all over Central and Eastern Africa. Exhibitors from 22 countries will showcase their products and technologies in segments such as renewable energy, IT solutions, communications and technology, and automation. Our participation in the exhibition is guaranteed to draw attention to the W.E.T.E.R project, give impetus to the development of the project, and create conditions for attracting investments from the Africa continent. Among other things, we have obtained a patent from the technology in Africa. All the information you can find on our official website. Dear friends, subscribe to our official YouTube channel, like us, write comments and follow the development of the project. I'm sure that in the future we will have a lot of interesting news for you to see. See you soon!